guys, welcome back to another gameplay video. So guys, I'm again going to play Gangster New Orleans, and as you can know in my before video, I have break the meeting and stopped them to deal the drugs because their planning was to wait. Why my screen is too black? I'll see you after restarting this game. I'm sorry, I think after fixing this. Yes, guys, I have done this. And guys, I have wear the mask because you know that there are very crimes going in this Nola city of this gangster New Orleans. And the city one are always thinking that I am doing these crimes, but the reality is there's another gangster who came in our city. He is doing that crimes. So I have a very special surprise for all you guys. Let me go to the vehicles. See here. See, I have got this from a premium jar. You know, when we unlock this mansion level 2, then they give us the achievement, then we can conquer this, and the police one will always chase me because I have killed all many of the HVT. HVT means high value targets who always shown me in the radar, and I kill them, and I always do that. But today I am going to do another mission that is what another, let me see. Okay, tell me what's the mission, because in today's video I am only going to do that mission. Exact revenge on Blue Finger Ronnie. Blue Finger, first of all there are no blue fingers. And wait, who has this? Alan? Alan, you have this garbage car. Alan, I never expected that you will have this kind of garbage car. Who I never expected. Alan, I can't believe. Oh, it will. Okay. Followed her van. Okay. Shall I kill him? Why? Why? Try to keep distance next time. Okay. I think in attempt 2 I can do this. It took me to do missions to get that energies. Okay. Alan, why did you force me to drive his garbage car? Alan, you don't have you don't have a nice vehicle only. That your boy, what's his name? Uh, what his assistant of this Alan's assistant, he has told her it had Ferrari, and this Alan have this garbage car. I can't believe it. Followed a van without being detected. Okay, I'm expert at being not detected. Okay, that's my favorite location in which we is going. Oh no. Okay, I think enemies are too. Don't worry, I kill everyone. I have gold pounder. Let me kill that. Uh, let me kill that soldiers. Somebody shoot at me. You know, in which person you are shooting just? You don't know I am the biggest mafia, and I have wearing the mask also, so the police can't know that yes, it's only the person. Get back in the car. Okay, let's get back on his car. Follow the van. We have camed. Get back in the car. Hey, it's free. Grabbed her in danger. There we go. Where's... Wait. You think I'm going to leave you like this way? Never! Never! You don't know? Biggest gangster? Grabbed her friend in chair. Okay, get back in the car. Okay. that dog will never, that enemy will never know that we have killed his friends, or you can say assistants, and get it. Oh, where's the way out? Okay, that's way. Get to the distraction. Hello, where's the way out? Okay, I think. Oh no. Oh, okay, I found it the way. Let guys, I'll see you after reaching that location. Yes, beat up those guys. Easy, easy, easy. I'm just going to grab that. Okay, note that name. The Alan's boy Eman. He has a store and this Alan has and his garbage car. Just kidding. Alan has that Lovin, but he doesn't use that car. Guys, let me complete this mission also. Eman, we are here. Wait. The bomb. CSV. Okay, our security is also going. I'm just kidding. They are our immense assistants. Guys, also after reaching that. There we go. There we go. So time. Let's park up right of the front and see. Woohoo! There we go. There we go. We have completed our mission. 75 experience. So guys, set up for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notification. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody from COVID, and till then, goodbye. Nice joke, no?